Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning the touchscreen beep sounds on or off on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you touch the infotainment screen, you can choose to have a beeping sound to let you know when you have touched the screen or pressed a button. This can be helpful, but it may be annoying for some people. Follow the steps to learn how to turn the touchscreen beeps on or off on the Nissan Qashqai. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner of the infotainment screen. Then tap Volume and Beeps. Tap Button Beeps to turn button beeps on or off. When the beep sound is on, there is an orange dot to the left of on. When the beep sound is turned off, there is no orange dot. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.